Hi everyone. Before we start today's video, I just want to say that we do have a free Discord server where you can come by and learn, share ideas, ask questions and be part of a new trading community. You can find the invitation link for this in the description below. So let's jump straight into the chart. So in today's recap video, I'll be going over my trade setup for the Euro USD for Tuesday the 27th of September, which at the time of this video recording was yesterday. So going straight into it, our IPDA open, IPDA standing for our interbank pricing delivery algorithm, opened up bullish, and that was that's an indication for me that I should be expecting further bearish momentum within the price for this trading day. So having that bias in mind, I marked out our central bankers dealers range and then went 2 standard deviations up, as that was in line with a 15-minute unmitigated order block, and having our entry point right at the 2 standard deviation price, as that came within equilibrium of this volume candle excluding the wick. And in terms of our profit level, we wanted to, well, I saw price having the tendency to break past this previous temporary swing low in the form of sell side liquidity, and then trading in fact lower and then creating a new lower low, which we did eventually do during today's Asian session. But we kept our profit level just within this area here at the 0.957 pricing point. So going back into it, as soon as our Frankfurt market opened at 7 AM, price tapped into our points of interest zone and tapped into our sell order, and then from there on price went the direction which we wanted it to go as per our analysis. So if I go into the 5-minute chart where we can see a bit more detail, after tapping into it, we traded back down and then we left some imbalance, which I'll come back to shortly. We traded back down into a marked out 15-minute order block, which was my first intraday take profit level, where I did close off 50% of my position of this order. And then from there on, we came to an equal level of the Asian low, and that was another indication that we do have a tendency to have further bearish movement in today's price action, as now we've built up a further liquidity pool and further sell side liquidity. So after doing that, price came back up pre New York, trading up into this marked out 5-minute order block, which was our point of interest, and efficiently pricing the market and closing in this 5-minute fair value gap. And at this point, this was our second entry of the day, our New York open entry, where we did enter off the low of the wick, having our stop loss just above a 1-minute order block used purely as a reference point for our stop loss. So we did initially tap into it, which was a 5-minute reaction, traded back down, and then took in the fair value gap, and then we displayed the markets displayed beautiful price action from there on, causing break off structures, leaving behind equal lows, trading back up, going straight through our equal low points, having further break off structures, again leaving behind fair value gaps, and efficiently pricing in the market throughout our New York trading session, taking out our Asian lows, taking out all of that liquidity pool, and also taking out this previous low here, and taking out all of the sell stops which are below this price point here. and then finally trading into our profit objective target of 0.957. So as a result of this, our trading day netted us a total of 160 pips across these two trades, which equated to a 1 to 6 risk to return. I hope that you learned something from this video. If you did, do like and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next trade recap.